Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afieda Azraen. I'm from Polytechnic Kota Baru. So today I will present about my innovation is smart notes. Okay. Smart Note is a teaching and learning material innovation project, PDP for project management courses. And the purpose is for improving existing teaching technique, and background is the background of Smart Note is for project management course is a subject that must be taken by third semester student of each polytechnic. Okay, and the rationale for developing innovation is about lecturers is a driver of the smooth running of all programs, need to be agent of reform and provide a dynamic touch that will drive a quality, creative and innovative educational process can be produced. So we need to attract the student, the interesting will trigger the student to learn more and more about the subject. Method of innovation implementation is I use the Android user. Android user has increased and the most popular mobile operating system because the Android is open source, which is can be used by any phones or tablet or any tablet manufacturers. While iOS is a very close software, which is just only property of Apple can use iOS. So the method of implementing this innovation has been developed by asking students to download the Smart Notes apps on the Play Store or upload it using by the link. So innovation objective I have divided by 3 stages. For the first is for lecturers. Lecturer able to teach a method in parallel with modern technology, able to provide more effective explanation to students, able to carry out the teaching and learning process. The teaching and learning process must run smoothly and become more effective and meaningful. Smooth the lecturers and learning process because it's focused on the important content related to each topic. Okay, for the student able to understand the topic tough, easily and effectively, being able to attract student interest. Student will be easier to remember, able to improve and thinking ability of student, able to master the knowledge of project management, make it easy for students to study wherever they are without having carry a notebook. Okay, so innovation objective for institution is able to improve the quality of education through continuous improvement in teaching and learning process, successful exposing students to the modern educational technology related to ICT, responding to the government challenge in transforming polytechnic towards internationally competitive educations. So the impact and benefit we can see here for lecturers, June 2020 session has used Smart Notes, apply technology in teaching and learning to create culture of research among the lecturers. And for student, impact for the student is able to master learning easily and effectively, creating a fun learning environment. And for institution is making polytechnic grow in line with the passage of time, offering courses that are competitive in the globalization and meet the needs of industry. Okay, so the result, okay, so we can see here in December 2019 there's only 78% got A and 22% got B, but in June 2020, after we used the Smart Notes, 93% got A and 70% got B. So it's the huge number of percentage that student got A. Okay, for type of software used is Scanner, Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, Google Drive, App User to upload notes in this application in the form of PowerPoint. Okay, and the last is Google Printer, so to upload into this application to allow students to download this note. Okay, so the suggestion improvement for my innovation is researchers need to evaluate for all final semester students at all polytechnics who take this course to be used as a respondent, and the researcher also suggests the further research on the level satisfaction of lecturer who teach should also be a factor in effectiveness of smart notes for the future study. Okay, last but not least, for my presentation today, I will show you how a video of how this application is used. So that's all. Thank you.